From class 10. We are here to doing a chemistry activity. Let's check it out. We have sugar solution and salt solution. We have to check if the sugar solution conducts electricity or not. The ions are present in it or not. Let's start. So we have a 6-volt battery and the 0-volt bulb which is connected with the wires. So now we will dip the wire of the battery and the other wire in the sugar solution, so to check that it will conduct electricity or not. So we will dip this separately so that we will check it out. So as we know that the bulb is not flowing, so this means that the sugar solution does not conduct any electricity and it does not have any ions. So the sugar solution will not conduct the electricity.
Same activity with sugar solution. Now we conduct same activity with salt solution.
Now we will dip these two wires separately in salt solution like we have dipped in sugar solution. So as we can see, the bulb is glowing, so electricity conducting salt solution, not in sugar solution, has ions are present in salt solution, not in sugar solution.